Genspark AI positions itself as a comprehensive all-in-one AI workspace that consolidates a wide range of generative tasks into a single platform. Its central feature is the Super Agent, a system designed to handle complex multi-step requests by coordinating various specialized AI models. When you give a task, this agent can break it down, research the web using multiple sources, perform fact-checking by cross-referencing information, and present the results in a structured format. The platform offers a suite of creation tools for generating presentations, AI slides, analyzing and visualizing data in spreadsheets, AI sheets, drafting and formatting documents, AI docs, as well as creating images, videos, and even audio content like podcasts. Some of its more advanced capabilities include the Call for Me function, where the AI can reportedly make phone calls for tasks like restaurant reservations, and the Download for Me function to retrieve and save files. For collaboration, Genspark provides shared workspaces and integrates with over 80 external tools like Google Drive, Notion, and Slack, allowing the AI agents to interact with your existing data and services. The output of many research tasks is a Spark page, which is a dynamic, synthesized web page that consolidates information on a topic with links to sources and an embedded chat for follow-up questions. The platform operates on a freemium credit system, with a free tier offering a limited number of daily requests and paid plans, such as Plus and Pro, providing higher credit limits and access to more powerful AI models. The platform offers a free plan with 100 daily credits, 1 GB of AI drive storage, and limited access to models. The primary paid option is the Plus plan at $19.99 per month, which provides 10,000 monthly credits, unlimited chat, and image generation with top models like GPT 5.2 and Claude Opus 4.5, 50 GB of storage, and access to advanced video and audio models including Source 2 and 11 Labs. The Pro plan, at $199.99 per month, significantly increases the credit allowance to $125,000, upgrades the unlimited image generation to include 4K output, and provides 1 TB of storage, while offering the same unlimited chat and access to the latest video and audio models as the Plus tier. Goodbye, my friends!